Do you find drawing hard? Well, let's draw the singing mushroom together easily. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, get your art supplies, and let's draw. So we're going to start here at 1, and we're going to curve all the way to number 9. Now here you'll notice there's a letter A, and we're going to take this letter, curving down to 9, 10, and through to 43. And stopping just like that. Now back at 10, you're swooping to 12, and then 13, you're going to come up and go just past just like this. Now 14, 13 to 14, just like that. And then we're going to go from 15, and we're going to loop around to 32, like that. And you know what? Let's go to 31 and 30. I'm going backwards here a little bit, but I just kind of want to do the elbow of our mushroom right now. And so from 15, just a little bit past, we're going to curve up to 16, like that. Now from 16 to 17, a bump out. A little bit past 17, you're curving up like this and stopping, because we're going to make the thumb right now of our mushroom. So we're going to curve in a little bit and out to 18, 19, and in just like this. And then from 19, out and around 20, 21. And then we're just going to go a little bit past 21, make a space. Loop to 22 and 23. Same thing here. 24, 25. And then 26, 27, 28. Now I'm going to go back to 21, just past 21. And I'm going to connect all these dots together to go around to 29 and just a little bit past. There we go. And from 29, 30, you're bumping out and connecting back to 16. There we go. And here, I'm going to go back to number 19, just around the end of the thumb, and we're going to create the other portion of the thumb, this part right here. Now from 32, going to 33, and now I'm going to get you to skip all the way to 34. We're going to add some grass here later. So from 34, curving all the way around to 39 and stopping. Just like that, bit of a wave. Now we're going to go way back here, someplace here, and we're going to curve a little bit up through 39 to 40, 41, just like that. And past 41, you're going to swoop to 42 and up to 43. Now right in between here, I'm just going to add a little extra flare, something like this. Now here, 43, you're going to do a bump out to 44 and 45 to make the chin. And then curving to 46, and you're going to skip to 47 and go up to 48 like that. And here, curving 49, and you're going to keep on going all the way back to number 1. Like this. Now what I'm going to do, get you to go to B, and you're actually going to curve and continue to number 48. There. This is part of the face. Now you see all these other dots that are right here? That's just to guide you from 49 to 7 to create the top part of our mushroom. So right here where we skipped, that's actually going to be the microphone that our mushroom is going to be holding. So you can do two things. You can draw a circle right here, or you can use the circle template. I like to use the circle template because then I get really nice perfect circles that I can't get by myself. But you don't have to use it, it's totally up to you. Now we're going to just draw a couple of lines here for the handle of our microphone, just like this. And here's going to be the hand. So back here you're going to curve up like this and up, down and loop around to make a finger. And up, and up, And one more, I think, up and around to take the knuckle, the knuckle, and the knuckle, just like this. Can't forget the thumb, so we're going to do a bit of a winding S like this. And then 13, you're going to come up and go just past, just like this. There. And now we're going to connect and make an arm as well, so somewhere around close to 41. Curving up to the wrist. And there you go. Now we're going to draw a face too, so we're going to have a couple of closed eyes. So somewhere around this dot that's right next to A, that has no number, I'm going to draw an oval like this. And over here we're going to do the other eye. Same idea. We're going to do lips now, because right in the middle, kind of, if you go at a line this way from the chin, 44, to here, this dot, it's going to be around the middle, right there, of the lips. So curving up and around, and up and down again. Up and down, and up and around. There. Close off the mouth. And our mushroom is singing, so let's give her a tongue. I'm going to draw the nose and the eyebrows later after I color it, because I don't want to risk smudging because it's going to be a lighter color. So right here between 33 and 34, I left a gap because I'm going to draw some grass. So this is where you can have fun and just kind of draw wavy lines to make grass. You can do it however you like. The mushroom types I'm drawing are Amanita muscaria, which is the red cap mushrooms with the white dots. Now you can draw your spots wherever you like on your mushrooms. I like to use my circle template to do circles, especially larger ones, because it's really hard to get it really nice and crisp if you're doing it freehand. With the details done and our drawing complete, now I'm going to color. I'm going to use my base colors first, starting from lightest and working towards darkest. Once my base colors are all dry, I'm going to work on shadows later on in the video. Now my color selection is based on a couple of things. One is reference photos, like this one, and the other is just picking colors that I think look good together. This picture is a little bit more realistic in the sense that I'm following the same colors I do on the real mushroom, but you can also go crazy and outlandish and do something completely whimsical. What kind of a singer do you think our mushroom is? Leave a message in the comments below. And just for fun, I'm going to take a peach marker and give our mushroom some rosy cheeks. Base colors done and dry, now we do some shadows. As you can see, I'm sticking mostly to the left side of our mushroom for the shadows because I want the light source to come from the right. As a final touch to this drawing, I'm taking my thin marker and I'm going to add the last minute details that I didn't do earlier because I was afraid of smudging. Now I can add additional line work to the underside of cap, nose, and eyebrows and know it's going to look nice. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring this mushroom with me, and I hope you found it easier. And if you liked it, check out these other videos on your screen next.